So hello learners, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and staying safe. So in this lesson we are going to see something about request header. Request header is mean that you are requesting something, so what kind of things will request will contain. So here's the list of the containing of the request header. The first thing is accept tells the server what kind of content the client is willing to accept, such as image type, office document formats, and so on. So this type of thing we will be just attacking when it comes to the file uploading vulnerability. Okay, and the second thing is accept encoding means that tells the server that kind of content encoding the client is willing to accept. And the third thing is authorization is just it is very simple thing. Authorization submitted the credentials to the server for one of the built-in HTTP authentication type. And the fourth thing is cookies is submit cookies to the server that the server previously issued. We will be learn cookies in the upcoming videos. Okay, don't worry about cookies. And the fourth thing is host specifies the host name that appeared in the full URL being requested. Okay, so as you can see here, host, this is the host. And the fifth thing is if modified since. So this will tell us about specifies the when the browser last received the requested response resources, and if the resources has not been changed since the last time, the server may instruct the client to use it cached copy and using a response with status code 304. We shall be learning about 304 later on, don't worry. And the next thing is if none matched, and if none matched is just to specify the entity tag, which is an identifier denoting the contents of the message body, and the browser submits the entity tag that the server issued with the requested resources when it was last received. The server can use the entity tag to determine whether the browser may use it cached copy of the responses or not. Okay, so the next one is origin is just used to use in just cross domain request to indicate the domain from which the request is originated. And the next one is referer specify the URL from which the current request originated. And last but not the least is user agent, as we have talked about it earlier. So it is provide information about the browser or other client software that generated the request. So this is all for this lesson. So we learned about request header, and the next video we are going to learn about the response header.